Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Chestnut Tiger in Heartopia. So you will need to join the Bait the Insects event, and you have to start it when it's raining or when there's a rainbow, I think, and it spawns all day. So let's start the event here. I'm just going to start now. And you will be able to see there is a new butterfly. Let me just start catching some insects here. And hopefully I am able to find the new butterfly. Oh, and that's it. That's what the butterfly looks like. That is the chestnut tiger. Um I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.